Hi everyone, and how's it going on? In this video we will be discussing about how to add LastPass extension to Chrome. Now it is quite simple. All you need to do is simply head over to your browser of your choice, and once you are there, before we dive in, you can consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't done already. Head over to your URL section or URL box and type in there LastPass. Once you do that, press enter onto your keyboard and you will be able to see various URL links opening up. So the first one is not that we are looking for. Simply head over or scroll a little bit down. You will be able to see LastPass on Chrome Web Store. So basically, Chrome Web Store is the official store for plugins and extensions that you can add on for your Chrome or any browser that you would like to do for. Head over to there, and once you are onto the platform, you will be able to see that LastPass free password manager is here. Simply click on this get option and add extension. Once you do that, eventually you can see on the top right side it is now added, so it will be automatically be added onto your browser as well. So you can see it is now not showing up. Click on this little puzzle icon on the top right side of your screen. Once you do that, click on manage extensions, and here you will have your LastPass extension showing up. So scroll a little bit down, you can see we have that in here and it is now added onto our browser, and that's how easily you can do so, add it onto your browser. So that's how easily you can get it done. If you want to pop it onto your display section of extension, click on this eye icon and it will be displayed in here, so you can log in, create your account and get your passwords saved. Thank you so much for watching, guys. That was it for this video. Consider subscribing to our channel, like the video, and do not forget to share with your friends. See you guys around in the next video.